This is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So this tutorial is the second part of Power BI data modeling. I will suggest please watch the first part because this part is the extended version of the first part, and here the data modeling is more complicated than the first part. So please watch the first part in this same playlist, Power BI data modeling playlist. Okay. So here you can see this is our product table. Okay. This is our dim date table. In this previous video we created dim date and facts sales table. Here is the fact sales table. Okay, date is day wise, and if you see the budget, product budget, so previously it was like month wise budget. So first January 2025 total budget, February 2025 total budget, March 2025 total budget, like that previously it was, but now it is product wise budget. So if we do ascending order, so if you see January month is there, January 2025, and product wide ID wise budget is distributed. So now how to make the data modeling, because if I go to data modeling right now, and in dim date we have year month, okay, in budget also we have year month, but if we create a relationship we will see many to many, because if you see dim date, okay, if you see dim date, there are many rows for the January, right? And if I go to budget, there are also many rows for the January month, you can see. So that's why it is coming many to many. So now how to make the relationship? So for that what I will do, I will create a date bridge table. Okay, so I'll go to new table, date bridge. So here what I'll do distinct. So distinct, then union. I will extend this union, then values. So what values I need? I need from the due date, year, month, right? And from the values and from the budget. So product budget, I need year, month. Okay. So how it is working? So I am taking values of the year, month. So it will take values from the year, month. Okay. Then from the due date, and then it will take budget from the budget date, year, month from the budget product budget table. Then it will do union. Okay, this will create a table values. This will also create a table. Then I am doing union. Then if I do only union, what it will do? It will take all the year, month data, but I need distinct of that. Okay, I need only January 2025, February 2025, March 2025, like this. Not for the January 2025 should come as one row, not the multiple row. February also should come as one row, not the multiple rows. So for that what I did, I created distinct. Okay. Now if we see bridge table, here you can see January, February, March, like this it is coming till December. So in data modeling, what I'll do, from this bridge table, okay, from this bridge table we will take year, month to this year, month. Here you can see it is coming as 91. Okay, save it. Now from this bridge table year, month, I will take dim date also. We have year, month, right? So dim date, year, month. Here it will come as many, and from the bridge it is a distinct value. So 1 to many, right? Okay. So like this it is created. Now from this dim date we have date, and fact sales also we have sales table, sales date. So in the fact sales, here you can see in the fact sales we have day wise data, and dim date also we have day, right? So in the relationship, okay, date to sales date, it will come as one to many. Okay, now this product, here we have product ID, right? If I go to dim product, we have product ID and the product name. So this will come as one, this table is one. And if I go to the product budget, we have product ID also, like this. If I do ascending, so if, so this is coming as many, so one to many. So every month we have product budget, every product budget. So in data modeling, what I'll do, one to many. Okay, this relationship also created. Okay, perfect. Now if I go to the table, now from I need to take year month from this bridge table. Okay, year month came, year month came. Then if I need budget amount, I will take budget from product budget. So 3 months budget is there. Now I need uh, sales, right? Sales amount. So here you can see this is our sales amount for the 3 months. Now I need product. So I will take product from the product table, dim product table, right? So here you can see for the January month, uh, we have budget for the, sorry, I will take product time. Okay, so for the January month, budget is this, and the sales amount is this for the product ID 101. Okay, so if you see in the January month, budget is there, but there is no sales for the product ID 105. So if I go to the January month in the fact sales table, so if I take only the January, okay, so there is no 105. Okay, so here you can see it is working perfectly. So our data modeling is working perfectly. Okay, so we got product wise ID wise what is our sales amount, what is our budget, and month wise, like this. Okay, so I think this video was helpful. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.